Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 2nd, 2021. I want to welcome you all here to our particular channel, the location to where we're going to give you all price prediction and forecast in the cryptocurrency space, in stocks and commodities, whatever the case may be. You're able to predict the market. Don't let no one else tell you otherwise. We've been doing that for the last 3 years, being fully transparent to each and every one of you of doing just that, predicting the market. Because without predicting the market, you cannot understand where the market is likely to go. You can't profit from it. So we have to follow someone who is dictating the price movement. And his name, we created the term, the trap. Now, he's the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He is the one that is trying to take your money, period. So he lays out traps in the market to catch us, to put us in losing positions so that he can continue to accumulate all of our profit for him while we stay in losing positions. But for us, we follow him. We pay attention to his movements. And all you need to do the same thing is pay attention to the price bars and the volume. Once you understand that, you can literally dictate where he's going to go. And today we're going to show you that again for Yearn. It's been a while since we did our last video on Yearn. So before we go into that, if this is your first time watching our particular video and you guys appreciate it, we'll definitely want to welcome you all here for the moment, because not a lot of people are able to get this understanding and seeing the prediction that we are delivering here on YouTube. So congratulations to each and every one of you for coming and watching our content. Definitely want to make sure you guys continue to hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification as well so you do not miss out on our price prediction that we are delivering here on YouTube. January the 13th was the last time we did our video for Yearn. You guys can see it right here as I zoom in on the price chart. We expected the market to go higher in price, and we had our TP at $28,000 per coin. So what day did the market in Yearn come and touch $28,000? It did it twice, right there on the 18th and again on the 19th. So we got that TP out the market in Yearn at 5.43%, right before this market has been stagnated and has not been moving. So congratulations to those who was able to capitalize on the market in Yearn to hit that TP price of about $28,000. That is done. That is over. And now let's go ahead and pay attention to see if we see anything changing in the market from the trap. Because the first thing I'm going to ask you is, are we still in an uptrend? Look at the market. Has the trap been able to keep price above our line? The answer is no, he hasn't. So now that eliminates the prospects of the market in Yearn going higher for the time being. That only leaves us two other options. The market's either going to move sideways or it's going to continue to go lower in price. Now, look at over the last couple of days in the market in Yearn. What do you all see here? Has the market been indicating to us that it's strong? No, it hasn't. So we're definitely in the phase of weakness here in Yearn right now. On the 3-day time frame, you guys can see here a little bit better that we're not seeing any strength coming through into the market on the 3-day time frame. So let's check it on the 5-day. Are we seeing any strength on the 5-day time frame? No, we're not. What about on the weekly? So we're not even seeing here on the weekly time frame. So it's simple. We're not expecting the market in Yearn, not at this particular time, to go higher in price. The best thing we're going to get is for this market to hold consolidational trade and trade sideways, which you can actually see over the last couple of hourly time frames. Okay. So what do you think the forecast needs to be? I mean, based off everything we talked about everything we've shown you already within a 5-minute span, what are you expecting the market to do in Yearn? Are you expecting the market to go higher or lower? For us, we're looking for this market in Yearn to continue to go lower in price, albeit I'm not saying that the market's going to crash, but we have some weakness to iron out into the market for Yearn. So we're going to continue to play that until we see the market change. The only way that this will go against us in our forecast would be for us to see the market in Yearn hold price above this particular price. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this ascending line right here because the market is not utilizing it. We understand that the market is not in a uptrend, so we don't need it there. So this is it. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Yearn, but it is under the premise that the market in Yearn can literally still hold this price level of about $22,000. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick and then I'll let you all go. In Yearn, so now where do you think restriction needs to be at? $24,000, $26,000. For us, we'll do around 26,000. And ultimate TP will be right there around $18,000, which is not that far away. We'll TP the market at $20,000 though. Okay, so that would be another 9.88% profitability market movement for Yearn. And that's it. So as you can see, we're not really expecting a lot of price movement to occur in Yearn at the moment, but generally we're still seeing this market anticipating some weakness. Like I said, not a lot. We still have a little bit of weakness to contend with. So we're just going to see how low the market's going to go in Yearn. This is our expectations, our opinion, and now it's your turn. What are you seeing into the market in Yearn? Let everyone in our community know. Don't hide it. Explain to everyone what direction you think the market's going to go. Do you think we're going to continue to trade sideways, higher, lower? Tell everyone your prediction. And don't make it confusing because we're not about that life. Leave us a comment in the comment section. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Go trade different.